Climb inside the 2013 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, variably intermittent wipers, a front bench seat, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.